universe began as an extremely hot, dense point. In the first few moments, it expanded rapidly, creating a soup of fundamental particles like quarks, electrons, and neutrinos. Immediately after the Big Bang, the temperature was so high that quarks and gluons roamed freely in a plasma state. As the universe expanded and cooled, quarks began to combine to form protons and neutrons. Around 3 minutes after the Big Bang, the temperature dropped enough for protons and neutrons to stick together through nuclear fusion, forming the first simple nuclei, primarily hydrogen and helium. This period is known as Big Bang nucleosynthesis. As the universe continued to expand and cool to about 3000 Kelvin, it reached a point where electrons could combine with nuclei to form neutral atoms. This process is called recombination, leading to the formation of the first hydrogen and helium atoms. This marked the decoupling of matter and radiation, allowing photons to travel freely and creating the cosmic microwave background that we can observe today. For millions of years after atoms formed, the universe entered a period known as the Dark Ages, where there were no light sources. Eventually, gravity pulled hydrogen and helium together to form dense regions, igniting nuclear fusion and creating the first stars. These stars began producing heavier elements through fusion processes and supernova explosions. Stars played a crucial role in creating elements heavier than helium. Through nuclear fusion in their cores and explosive supernova events, they formed elements like carbon, oxygen, iron, and more, dispersing them into space when they died. This enriched the cosmos, providing the building blocks for planets, life, and more complex matter. Over billions of years, these processes led to the formation of more diverse elements and compounds that eventually clumped together to form planets, stars, and galaxies. The atoms created in this process are the same that make up everything in the universe today, from the air we breathe to the cells in our bodies.